Hello everybody, welcome. Now, on my live stream yesterday, when I done that, was it jelly deals, me and Nat. If you ain't done it, I'll leave wherever it is up here somewhere. The link with the little eye, go and watch that, it's funny as hell. I was talking about what I could eat next. Now, I've been trying to get this for ages and I couldn't get it. People kept saying haggis. Well, I went up to Tesco's today and I got it. So today I'm going to do haggis. Never had it before. I think it's an acquired taste. So let's have a look. Let's open it up. Let's have a look and see where we go from there. Right then, there it is. Number one, the UK number one haggis. It was £2.60, I think it was. Simon, Haggis, that the Scottish butcher. People in Scotland will know better than me. Anyway, I ain't got a clue. The original, the versatile Scottish dish. Serves 2 or 3 people. That's what it is. As I say, I've never had it before. Then we can read that properly. I'll put my glasses on. Scotland's national dish. A savoury pudding of heart, liver and lungs. Deliciously blended with onions, oatmeal, barley and mixed spices. Haggis is worthy of any occasion. There you go. There's all the ingredients. You want to have a look. I don't know if you'll be able to see them properly. I'll move it round. You might be able to see it. Now I've been looking at the instructions. I'm going to do it on the three ways. I think you can either boil it, oven, or microwave, or pan fry. But I'm going to boil it because I think a lot of people boil them. I think, I'm not 100% sure. This is a raw product and must be fully cooked prior to consumption. Prior to cooking, remove haggis from this bag, obviously. So let's open it up anyway. Let's have a look. I don't know how many different types of companies do haggis. I haven't got a clue. There it is. That's the thing there. Okay, looks a bit like black pudding, doesn't it, really? It smells quite nice. Oh, I'm looking forward to this one. What I didn't want to do, I didn't want to do a meal. I didn't want to go and buy loads of stuff. I did have a look online what sort of stuff you have with it. And people were saying like tatties with whiskey sauce in it or something. Now I didn't want to buy any of that because in case I don't like it, I didn't want to go wasting the money. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to boil it first, however long it takes, what's it say? Wrap the haggis with the casings and clips tightly in foil, place in a large saucepan of boiling water so that the haggis is just covering. It's just covered by the water. Bring to a bubbling boil and then reduce the heat and gently simmer for 45 minutes. Top up with more water if required. Right, so I've got to wrap it in foil. What I'm going to do, I'm going to boil it, right, and then I'm going to taste it, and then I think I've got a few bits left so I can make a curry. So let's do a haggis curry. Can you do haggis curry? I think you can. Put anything in a curry, can't you? So first things first then, get some foil. I'll wrap it up and I'll get a pan of hot water on. Like so. I'll get a pan of hot water on. Right then, water's boiling. Large pan of boiling water, so the haggis just covered. It's just covered by the water. There should be enough water in there, I think. Maybe stick a little bit more in at the kettle. So it's just covered, so there we go, that'll do. Then we've got to bring it to the boil and then turn it down to simmer for 45 minutes. Quite simple. Right, it's boiling now. I'm going to turn it down to simmer 45 minutes. Right, it's done. It smells absolutely delicious. Them spices smell, woo. Let's get it out, it's going to be boiling hot. I hope it's cooked anyway. Right, let's get it open. Right, open it. I've opened it up. Try and get it off the foil. Bit of water in there, ain't there? But it smells gorgeous, you know. I was going to fall up, put that there in a minute. Move that out of the way. Get these off. I hope it tastes as nice as it smells. That's just for sure. Hoo hoo hoo. That's like mince in it, apparently. Is that what it comes out like? I'm not sure. Oh yes. Look at that. Haggis. Oh, that is gorgeous, man. Gorgeous. Smells gorgeous. I was going to make a curry out of it, weren't I? But I'm going to do that if it's going to all crumpled. I could just put it in crumpled, I suppose. Well, there it is. Haggis. Well, let's have a little taste test of that then. Then I think I might put it in a curry. It smells gorgeous. I should have bought some potatoes, mate. Right then. Let's have a taste test. First time out trying haggis. It's a bit dark, that is, isn't it? Let's have a go. It smells gorgeous. It really does. Oh. Oh, I like that haggis. Oh, I definitely like that haggis. It's gone really dark in there, I don't know why. So I can move that light a bit. Oh, that's gorgeous. Nah, do you want to try haggis? No. Don't want to try it. It's gorgeous. Oh, we should have bought some potatoes and that with it now. What I'll do is I'll get that again and I'm going to make it into a Scottish meal. Tatties and whiskey sauces I think they use. I think I've seen online. And I've looked online earlier while that was cooking. And there's people that have done curries, haggis curries, so I'm going to try it. But I've only got what I've got in my cupboard. Because I didn't buy anything really for that, because I didn't know whether I was going to like it. But that's gorgeous, man. So what I've got is, let me show you. So myself some onions which are chopped up. Tomatoes which are chopped up. Some onions. But it's only going to be basic, because I ain't really got a lot in to do a proper curry. I've got chicken tikka paste pots, which I'm going to use one of them. And I've got some chilli flakes, I've got no normal chillies in. So let's make a haggis curry. Right, I've got my pan warming up, put some oil in, that's hot now. I'm going to get my onions in first. I'm going to get them fried up. It's only going to be a basic one. Right, onions are browned up a bit. And I'm going to get my paste in, my chicken tikka paste. I can open it. Get that in. Give that a mix up. Now some water. Chopped tomatoes. Get them in. We'll stick a few chilli flakes in. And put some more water in a minute. Yeah, going up a bit. Now I want to get some haggis in. Now this will probably disintegrate, but we can try. Try and get some lumps in. It's gorgeous, this haggis. I'll be definitely having this again, that's for sure. Have to be a bit gentle with it. Get it covered. I want to put a bit of water in there now. And all that's all mixed together. Just let it simmer for 10-15 minutes. More water. A little bit of paste there. Let's get that paste out. Get out. I might even stick some more haggis in there. Got loads of haggis. I'm going to. Right, I'm going to leave that 10-15 minutes now just to simmer away. I might have to put a bit more curry sauce in. I think I've got some curry powder somewhere as well. I'll have to have a look. We'll see what happens as it starts cooking and coming down. Looks a bit, doesn't look very good curry at the minute, but we'll see. It's done. It smells delicious. I'm going to turn it off. It's gone nice and thick now. Could have a bit more water in there, I suppose. But anyway, I'm not going to do any rice with it. I'm just going to taste that, that's all. Let's dish it up. So there it is. Looks a little bit like, it's gone really dark in this kitchen. It looks a little bit like slop. But as I say, it's all in the taste. Then on a top of a bit of rice, I reckon this would be bang on, you know. Let's get some out anyway. I've got the dog here. I gave the dog a little bit of it and God, she won't leave me alone now. But there it is. Haggis curry. Simple one. Taste test time. So, what do we think? It smells delicious. I haven't even tasted it yet, so I don't know if it's going to be too spicy for me, but I like spice anyway. So let's have a crack anyway, and let's get stuck into it. Haggis curry. Ooh. Oh. Oh. I've made a carrot curry sauce a little bit spicy. That is gorgeous. Oh. Well done the Scottish for that haggis. That is stunning. Spitting everywhere. That haggis is gorgeous, man. Why have I never had this before? Tastes a bit like black pudding, but 100 times better. I mean, I love black pudding anyway. I mean, if you like black pudding and you never tried haggis, try it. It's gorgeous. Obviously it's made different, but that is stunning. Oh wow. Can't stop eating it. I'm definitely going to do that again. Got loads left. Loads left still. I'm going to put it. I'm going to do a proper recipe of that then. So what is it? It's supposed to be tatties. Is it Swede? I think it's Swede and it'll parsnips. I'm going to have to look it up. And some, is it whiskey sauce or something I think they use? I'll have to look it up anyway and see which one it is. Unless you know, leave us a comment what it is. And I'll make the full recipe. That's gorgeous, man. Right, as I say, I am the old food guy. I can't stop eating this. It's lovely. Give us a like, give us a subscribe. Till the next time. I'll see you later. Bye bye. Gotta have more. Gotta have more. Wow. Wow. Well done, Scotland. Bye.